Heat in the air, a steady heartbeat, a presence taking over. This is the cat. He walks the shoreline, magnetic silhouette, amber eyes shining, a summer icon set. Silent like a baseline sliding in. He owns the night, instinct under skin. Smooth and precise in every move. Independent soul with a natural groove. He watches the world without a sound. Master of the world but without sunbound.
When the light falls on his skin, everything aligns within. A shiver running through the crowd, the volume rising strong and loud. The cat!
Neo in the night, digital soul.
The cat!
Making every festival explode.
The cat!
Electric, sensual, solar vibe. He's the sound of the summertime. Drop. Now. Now. We dance it out on rooftop heights in a burning town. He walks alone but wears the crown. Raw charisma, fearless grace, nimble words, monumental pace. 9 lives, no limits in sight. He moves in sync with the light. When the beat erupts under the moon, he leads the crowd into the tune. The tempo rising once again, bodies moving in the same chain. Wild energy in the air, building like a wave everywhere.
The cat!
Neo in the tropical night,
The cat!
electro icon shining bright.
The cat!
Purring like a bass attack, international summer track.